welcome back to Science Fun for Kids. I hope you all had a safe Thanksgiving with your families. So today's experiment is eye brain tricks. It involves lots of science and lots of crafts. Almost all the crafts have glue, and then we will need some paper. You can take any color you want, a cup. I'm using the cup to trace the circle. You don't need a cup, it's optional. Some scissors, a straw, and a pencil. You can also use a marker. First step is to trace a circle. You can have 2 circles or 1 circle. I'm going to do 2 circles. Okay, now let's cut it out. Now I'm done with the 2 circles. So after, you can draw whatever you want. I'm going to draw a fish and a bull. You can draw a bird and a cage, like that. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Now here's the fish. Now I'm done with the bull. Now I'm done drawing the fish and the bull. Now we're going to glue a straw and these papers like a sandwich. Okay, now we put 1. Now I'm done gluing it. If you're using 1, you can draw a ball on one side and a fish on the other side. Now we're going to spin it. I don't know if you can see it in this video, but when you try it at home, you can see with your own eyes. Your eye keeps a copy of the image, or 1/20th second after the object is gone. When the straw spins, our brain interrupts the series of a quickly flashing image as one continuous image. I hope you like this simple experiment. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science Fun for Kids. And remember, science today is technology tomorrow. So learn science in a fun way. And the best way to learn science in a fun way is watching our videos. Thank you and Nandri.